Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Hopkinson. I'm Head of History at Harris Greenwich. I'm going to use this video to give you an overview of studying history to GCSE at our school. I'm also going to use the video to talk through the topics we study and also things like career paths. One thing to say straight away is that we enter our students to the AQA History GCSE, which means that we study certain topics, which I'll talk through on the next slide. So our students begin their GCSE course in Year 10 with a study of conflict and tension, the interwar years. This is AQA's Wider World Study, and we've chosen this option because we believe it's a very powerful study of international relations. We study the causes of World War II. We also assess the impact of Hitler's foreign policy on international relations. We build our lessons around really powerful inquiry questions, like, for example, was the main cause of the outbreak of the Second World War Britain and France's appeasement? Halfway through Year 10, the students then go on to their second unit, which is AQA's period study, and we've chosen Germany, Democracy and Dictatorship. We believe this is a really relevant study for our students to do because it really enhances their understanding of big concepts like democracy and dictatorship. And Germany in this period is a really good lens through which to study these concepts, because Germany went through a period of major change, starting off with the Kaiser's rule of Germany from 1890 to 1918, when Germany was an autocracy, then a period in which Germany was a democracy, a turbulent democracy, but then finishing the study with the rise of Hitler and Germany's transformation into a dictatorship. So in terms of skills, what do our students learn in terms of skills? Well, from this they learn how to write extended answers and answers to big questions. So they're really sort of learning how to write essays, academic essays. They're also learning the skills of historians. So how to analyze and evaluate a range of different sources, ranging from primary sources, visual sources, and also written sources too. At the start of Year 11, our students start the year by studying the British Depth Study Unit, which is Elizabethan England. This is a study of monarchy, queenship, governments, and also different aspects of society. And again, it's built around really powerful inquiry questions, like we asked our students the questions like, was Elizabeth's reign really a golden age for England? At the end of Year 11, or the second half of Year 11, our students finish their GCSE studies with the topic Health and the People, which again is a really fascinating study of medicine through time. And again, we build the course around really powerful questions like, has war been the main factor developing surgery since the Middle Ages? And then we prepare our students for exams at the end of Year 11, which concludes the course. And just quickly on resources, because I've been asked in the past about revision guides. So the 3 guides you can see on the screen, covering 3 of the units here by Oxford AQA GCSE, are useful guides. Our students have said that they're useful in the past. The Elizabeth I guide, which is not on here, is also really useful. I believe you can find them online. They're pretty inexpensive, so yeah, so I'd really recommend these guides for a revision. And finally, a little bit on careers. So you can see here just some suggestions of a career path for someone studying history at GCSE. Studying at history GCSE can prepare you for a career in museums, in heritage, in archaeology, also in more traditional careers like journalism or in law as a solicitor or even a barrister. What's not on here is less traditional ones. So, for example, working in charities or working in NGOs or working in government, whether it's local or national government, and of course teaching too. So if you'd like to take history to A-level, perhaps even to university, so an academic career in history as well is also a potential career path. So that concludes this presentation. If you'd like to ask a specific question about studying history GCSE, do get in touch with the school. Thank you very much.